This video shows the exact steps on how to put iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max and iPhone Air in recovery mode or restore mode. Recovery mode is a built-in repair mode used when your device can't start normally, letting you update, reinstall or restore the system safely. Hey everyone, this is Abdul. Let's get started. First, you'll need a computer, a Mac or a Windows PC, and a cable to connect your iPhone. If you're on Mac running macOS Catalina or newer, you'll use Finder. If you're on Windows or an older Mac, you'll use iTunes. If you don't have iTunes already installed, please download it from the link in my video description. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Keep it connected the whole time. I'm showing it on iPhone 17 Pro, but the steps are exactly same for all other models in the iPhone 17 lineup. First, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the power button. Do not let go. Keep holding it even if you see the slide to power off. You'll see the screen turn black. Keep holding it. You'll see the Apple logo appear. Still keep holding it. Do not release the button at the Apple logo. Keep holding it until you see a screen with a cable and a computer icon. That screen means your iPhone is now in recovery mode. You can release the button now. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, your computer will show a message. It will say that your iPhone needs to be updated or restored. Always try update first. Update reinstalls iOS without deleting your data. If update doesn't work, then use the restore. Restore will erase the iPhone, but you can recover everything if you have an iCloud or a computer backup. If you see the Apple logo instead of the recovery screen or your iPhone boots to the lock screen, that means the timing was off. That's normal. Just try the process from the beginning. Just follow all the steps exactly as I show in the video, and do not release the power button when the Apple logo appears. Only release when you see the cable and the computer screen. If this video helped you out, please make sure to give this video a like. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.